We're here at Retromobile, and we're in the auction space, which is occupied by Artcurial, and this has just caught my eye. I think this is unusual. We're surrounded by all sorts of things, Bugattis and Ferraris, all sorts of great Porsches, but this is a Serenissima, and you don't see many of those around. Powered by a V8 ATS engine, this car is really quite something. It's competed at Le Mans in 1966, so really lots of history. Didn't do much after that, I have to say, but it did do that period of time. And what we have here is pretty much as it finished Le Mans. You can see it's not in the best of conditions, but that's, to me, absolutely adds to its patina. That the car has had a busy life, let's say. You can see that the upholstery is perhaps not as great as it was. Interestingly, this is a left-hand drive car, when the vast majority of cars that were being built at that time were actually race cars were built with a right-hand drive. All the Ferraris that ran at Le Mans in period would have been right-hand drive. This is left-hand drive, and you can see that the bodywork has not been restored. Sadly, the beautiful streamlined mirrors that would have sat on top of those front wheel arches have gone, but the car is in a very, very original state. The wheels are Campagnolo and knock-on, of course, because that was by far the quickest way to do anything back in those days. And if you kind of look at it from a distance, there's a distinct Ferrari influence to this, the 250 LMs, that sort of thing. And quite honestly, if you painted it bright red, it could easily be something very different. So it's really quite something to look at. This car is going to go up for sale here at Artcurial. They will be selling this car, and they expect to get something between 300 and 800,000 euros. Now that is a huge spread for a car of this age, that normally you get sort of 300, 400, something like that. They really don't know what this car is worth. If you bought it, what would you do? Would you keep it in mothballs and keep it like this? Or would you have to restore it? Would you like to race it? Would you like to do Le Mans Classic in it? Because that's exactly the one that we want. But whatever it is, it's a fabulous car.